So I guess from my experience across Australia and New Zealand in the commercialisation field from university and academia, it is that a lot of the stuff that gets developed within academia can be really relevant. However, it can take 20 plus years to get into being used by society. And that's a very long and drawn out process, and there's a very expensive process because there's a lot of clinical trials involved if we're talking about health and medical commercialisation. But there's also patents which are quite expensive, and you have to cover the costs of those not only within the country that you're in but in other areas of the world. And it can be quite an expensive process, but a very long drawn out process. And it's a lot of efforts put in to trying to get the academics in with industry to make sure that what they're developing is relevant to industry. Whereas we're coming from the other side, where we're working with clinicians who are doing research at the bedside, which is translational in its own sense, and they're implementing it as they're doing the research, especially, and if the doctor is able to show that there is a true benefit to the patient care and the patient experience, then other doctors will listen, and it gets translated a lot quicker. So with EMF funding, we've been able to reduce the change to clinical guidelines and change in clinical practice in less than 7 years, and so that's quite a significant difference, and it can take a lot less time.